Antique Furniture Detail Tour. Why 19th century craftsmanship outshines modern mass production. The soul of the first impression. When you walk into a room with a 19th century piece, you feel it before you see the details. It has a gravity. Unlike modern mass-produced items that feel light and temporary, this piece was built to be the heart of a home for centuries. Look closely at the surface. These aren't printed patterns. This is old-growth timber. Dense, rich, and full of history. Every swirl in the grain tells a story of a tree that lived long before the Industrial Revolution. The art of invisible strength. Hand-cut dovetails. In modern furniture, drawers are often held together by staples or glue. But here, these are hand-cut dovetail joints. They are designed to tighten with age, not loosen. It's a marriage of wood that requires no nails, only the skill of a master's hand. The weight of quality. There's a specific sound to quality. It's the deep, solid thud of a heavy door closing. There is no hollow resonance here. This is solid craftsmanship that stands firm against the passage of time. The Ghost in the Glass. The mercury glow. Modern mirrors are perfect, which ironically makes them feel cold. 19th century mercury glass has a ghostly depth. The slight oxidation creates a romantic, silver glow that softens the light in a way a modern mirror simply cannot replicate. The beauty of patina. We call this patina. It's the physical record of every hand that has opened this door for 150 years. You can't manufacture this. You can only inherit it. It adds a layer of soul that makes a house feel like a home. The jewelry of the home. Solid brass details. The hardware is the jewelry of furniture. These aren't plastic-coated alloys. This is solid brass, hand-cast and fitted. Over time, it develops a deep, rich color that modern gold finish handles will never achieve. The secret of the key. Even the act of locking a cabinet becomes a ritual. There is a mechanical honesty in a 19th century lock. It's a tactile reminder that your belongings are guarded by something made with intention. sustainable legacy. The anti-fast furniture. Choosing an antique is the ultimate sustainable choice. By giving this piece a new life, you are stepping out of the cycle of disposable living. You are investing in something that won't end up in a landfill in 10 years. Ultimately, 19th century craftsmanship outshines mass production because it was made with love, not just logic. It reminds us that quality takes time, and that, in itself, is the greatest luxury. Thank you for joining me on this tour.